whoa, wow are examples of interjections. An interjection is simply a word or expression that shows sudden and strong feelings. Therefore, by knowing the interjections in Creole and when to use them, it will be much easier for you to bond with native speakers. Let's begin with the interjections you can use in many different situations. As an example, you can use the English interjection wow in several situations, as wow, wow, wow. The same applies to these Haitian Creole interjections, which are cat, mes amis, allons causer, monsieur, oh, oh oh, kou maman, rete. And remember, you can use them in other situations as well. For example, consider mes amis. You can use it to express sadness in a shocking way by saying mes amis. Or you can use it when you are happy in a surprising way. Now, let us learn them in specific categories. To express amazement, you can say très bien, bon bagay, oui pip, wololoy, parlez-moi de ça. To express fear, shock, or pain, you can say oui, oui, whoosh, amwe. To express irritation, frustration, and so on, you can say aïe aïe aïe, tête chargée. To express apathy or lack of concern, you can say ça paraît gadem, quitte mes lim. To express sadness or grief, you may say à la triste, hélas. So as you can see, overall interjections in Haitian Creole are straightforward. Just remember, be bold, be natural, and express yourself. For more videos and lessons like this, please subscribe and visit howtocreole.com.